So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can make highlights on Instagram. So first of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now here, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now after this, tap on new. Now this will show you all the past stories. Select the stories you want to add to the highlight. For example, this one and this one. Now once you select the stories, tap on next. Now here, add the title for the highlight. For example, camera samples. To edit the cover of the highlight, tap on edit cover. Now select a cover for the highlight. For example, this one or this one. Once done, tap on done. Now tap on add. And now this will add the highlight to the Instagram. As you can see here, this is the highlight I created. If I open it, then as you can see here, the stories are added to the highlight. So this is how I can make highlights on Instagram. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.